In today's hyper-connected world, cybersecurity is no longer an afterthought. A recent study by IBM Security found that the average cost of a data breach in 2023 reached a record high of $4.45 million. This, coupled with the increasing frequency and sophistication of cyber attacks, underscores the critical need for vigorous cybersecurity measures. Evolving cybersecurity cycle DORA and GDPR are two pivotal regulations that are reshaping the cybersecurity landscape for businesses worldwide. DORA, the Digital Operational Resilience Act, mandated by the European Union, came into effect in January 2025. It focuses on operational resilience within the financial sector, compelling institutions to withstand and recover from disruptions like cyber attacks, natural disasters and IT outages. DORA mandates vigorous risk management frameworks, stringent incident response plans, and a strong focus on third-party risk management. Non-compliance can result in significant fines, potentially reaching millions of euros. On the other hand, we have the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, a cornerstone of data privacy. Implemented in 2018, GDPR empowers individuals with control over their personal data, mandating vigorous security measures and strict compliance requirements. GDPR mandates data security best practices, including encryption, access controls, and regular security assessments. It emphasizes individual rights, such as the right to access, rectify, and erase personal data. Non-compliance with GDPR can result in hefty fines, reaching up to 4% of global annual turnover or 20 million euros, whichever is higher. GDPR, protecting individual data privacy. GDPR empowers individuals with significant rights regarding their personal data, including the right to access, rectify, and erase their data. Organizations must ensure they have vigorous data protection policies in place to comply with these rights. DORA, enhancing operational resilience in the financial sector. DORA mandates that financial institutions build strong operational resilience capabilities. This includes measures to prevent, detect, and respond to disruptions such as cyber attacks, natural disasters, and IT outages. Common goals and requirements. Data security. Both regulations demand vigorous data security measures, including encryption, access controls, and regular security assessments. Risk management. Both emphasize the importance of comprehensive risk assessments, enabling organizations to proactively identify and mitigate potential threats. Incident response. Both regulations require well-defined incident response plans, ensuring swift and effective responses to data breaches and operational disruptions. Third-party risk management. Both regulations underscore the importance of managing risks associated with third-party vendors and suppliers. Conclusion: building a secure and resilient future. By aligning your efforts with the principles of both DORA and GDPR, you can build a more secure, resilient, and trustworthy organization in the digital age. This is not just about compliance, it's about protecting your business, your customers, and your reputation in an increasingly interconnected and risk-prone world.